Ice Synergy, the intelligent way of cleaning. Full service with smart online insights for a fixed price per month. Ice intelligent cleaning machines are always online and provide insight into the current usage information, such as by whom and for how long the machine is used, the battery level and charging times, the cleaned surface in square feet, but also the location of the machine. You can keep track of all this information online or with the free app. This way you are always in control of the cleaning result. Also, in case of fleet management. Clever maintenance is ensured too. The cleaning machine monitors its status and warns the service department if necessary. The ICE service team quickly ensures that you can be operational again, for free. So no unexpected expenses. The renting period is flexible, whether it concerns one or more machines. Ice Synergy, the intelligent way of cleaning. Full service with smart online insights for a fixed price per month.